Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm going to be showing you how to change a spare tire. Did you know 220 million tires are flat a year? You could be next. So I'm going to show you how to change it so you don't have to call AAA. First, you're going to locate where all your tools and supplies are to change your tire. Mine are in the back seat of my truck. Aha, aha, and ha-ha. Next, using your nice device, or possibly even your owner's manual, you're going to want to figure out where your tire is located. Mine is underneath the bed. Find where this one is. You have to send a rod through the back. Oh my gosh.
Did you get it?
No. Ready?
Yeah.
By doing this, my tire is lowering to the ground. Do I have to break that little bolt off like that? The curves?
It goes through the hole, dude.
I know.
In the wheel. Don't have to break it off, no.
What is it? It's kind of rusted on it. Holding that.
Alright, go.
Now that I got that out, I need to find a good jacking point to change this tire. This shows me the safe jacking spots on the vehicle for the front and the rear. This is the Spanish one. Yeah, bust your hubcap open. Just like that, and then bust your nuts. I meant to put this down yesterday. Next, I'm going to take this hydraulic jack,
It's not a hydraulic, screw jack.
screw jack, and put it underneath my axle, and then spin this doodad to make the rear end go up.
Alright.
So eventually, after a while, you'll be getting about to there, and you want to make sure it's lined up nice and stable to the ground and to your vehicle.
Is that high enough?
No, not yet.
Jeez, I'm Pete, Sean.
You just need it off the ground just a little bit. Now you want to remove the lug nuts completely this time. Once you got your lug nuts off, you want to put them off to the side. I'm going to put them in my hubcap so I don't lose them. And pull off your tire.
Dang, are those slotted rotors?
Next, you want your new tire that is not flat over here and to be placed on to that. Sorry. Now, once you have your tire and your lug nuts loosely on, you want to start tightening them down in a star pattern. Going from the top one to this one, to this one, to this one, to this one. That way you get an even tight on your lugs. Once you get them all tightened down on here, you're going to want to lower the vehicle back to the ground and finish tightening. Once you lower your vehicle down to the ground and fully tighten as hard as you can get them, take them to the nearest tire shop whenever you can and get them properly torqued. As you can see here in this video, the truck's wheels were not torqued properly and caused a serious accident, so make sure you always torque your wheels properly to avoid the situation yourself.
Go.
Probably gonna figure out what it is. First, you're gonna want to find where your location for all your First, you want to